I enjoy my work. I enjoy like everything what I do. I come from a middle class family. My dad, he was into Air Force.
Hello, everyone. Once again, welcome you all to one more episode of Success Stories Season 2, a talk show presented by Trident Communication in association with World Humanitarian Foundation. I'm your host for today, Sneha. And guess who is our guest today? Veronica Venage. Veronica, a very warm welcome to our show. Veronica, she is an Indian actress and a model. We have seen her in many music videos and web series. How are you doing, Veronica?
Well, thank you so much for the intro. I'm good.
So now let us talk about her journey towards success. Veronica, what make you realize that you are made for doing acting? Like you want to do acting only and you want to do nothing else.
I think this is something, what I always wanted to do in my life. So I used to participate in plays and all the stage shows and all like back in my school. So I just love to, perform in front of audiences. They used to appreciate me. They used to tell me, and I used to get a lot of attention. I was like, wow, I'm really loving it. So I think I can really do it. So I started like that. Then dheere dheere, this is something you can make your profession also. So dheere dheere pata laga ki okay, I can do it in that way. So I was like, okay, fine, let's give it a try, and I started that way. Yeah.
So okay, and like you are not from Mumbai, Veronica. So like it was that easy to get that breakthrough in your career?
No, not at all. It was not easy at all for me, especially because I come from a middle class family. My dad, he was into Air Force. So I was also, that kind of person. I didn't know how to do it. Like, I didn't know how to go out, and, I was not confident. I was not, I was not confident enough that I can do this by my own. And, बात करें अगर family की, my family, like, they have supported me a lot. But my daddy, like I told you, he was in Air Force and all, he always wanted me to become a pilot like him. So I was like, that was not easy for me to convince him. Then my mom, she supported me a lot. She was there for me and she believed in me that I can make it. तो बिल्कुल भी easy नहीं था मेरे लिए, बहुत ups and downs थे. Finally I'm here. Yeah.
Great. So it was your mom's support basically which made you till
Yes, yes. My mom's support. Yeah.
वेरोनिका, आप इंडस्ट्री में काफी लंबे समय से हैं, but you are became more famous with your that short film Smartphone, which came in year 2020.
Yeah.
So like how your life changed with that web series becoming a hit? क्या चेंज पहले की लाइफ में और उस फोन की उस मूवी की बाद की लाइफ में?
स्मार्टफोन के बाद आई वाज लिटिल नॉट दैट फेमस, बट हाँ, लोग मुझे जानने लगे कि वेरोनिका वानिज है कोई, एंड देन आई वाज कॉन्फिडेंट आल्सो कि हाँ, मेरा आ गया एक प्रोजेक्ट मार्केट में, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ओके फाइन, आई कैन डू इट. आई स्टार्टेड मीटिंग पीपल, दे ऑडिशन देना एंड ऑल. तो काम आपका बहुत हेल्प करता है. इफ यू डू समथिंग, इफ यू हैव डन समथिंग, देन इट रियली हेल्प्स. तो उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली मुझे काफी मेंटली बहुत मैं स्ट्रांग हो गई कि हाँ चलो कुछ चीजें स्टार्ट हो गई है. सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड दैट वे. या.
So that made you morally more strong, like you can do much better now.
Yes. That motivated me in a way. Yeah.
Veronica, you have worked in music videos, you have also worked in web series and short films also. So in which of these format you enjoyed working more and why?
I enjoy my work. I enjoy like everything what I do. So it's nothing like that ki web series hai ya short film hai ya music video. I just want to work whatever comes my way and give my 100% and enjoy it. Yeah,
enjoying the work is more important, no?
Yes, that's really important.
वेरोनिका, आपने बताया कि आपका बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट आपकी मदर रही है थ्रू आउट द जर्नी। सो आपकी इंस्पिरेशन कौन रहा है कि आपको यहाँ तक जिसने पहुंचाया?
Obviously मेरी मम्मा ने. You're talking about
इंस्पिरेशन।
personal life. Yes, 100%. When it comes to acting, you know. So I don't know, I really like Priyanka Chopra a lot. I think पता नहीं क्यों मुझे लगता है कि मैं relate करती हूँ प्रियंका चोपड़ा से, because she is from army background से, and then काफी चीजें, the kind of attitude she has and जैसा काम वो करती है, तो I think Priyanka Chopra is my idol. You can say idol. So she
बहुत
inspired me a
बहुत
lot.
लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने। लाइक शी इज माय इंस्पिरेशन
And she's
आल्सो।
doing so well now also. See, yeah, in
Yeah.
Hollywood also.
Veronica, we came to know like your real name was Nijra Mishra. So what made you to change your name to Veronica Vanej?
Well, that's a long story. That's really
Like,
a
we
long,
love to
long
hear
story.
it. Yeah, like we love to hear that.
Arey yaar, seriously. No, actually, like you said, my surname is Mishra. So I dropped my surname for the, industry and all. So I don't know, it was really tough for me to, drop. It's tough. It's tough for everybody to drop the surname. Yeah, you get me, right? So
Yeah.
I was like, I believe in numbers. I believe in letters. So somebody, my Guruji, so he was like, letter V is very lucky. I believe in this. So letter V is very lucky for you. Why don't you go and why don't you just keep your name, screen name for the industry? Letter V say. Then I was like, okay. Then I started searching and looking for it. Veronica is very stylish and very,
Very
yeah,
stylish.
very different name. So I was like, why not Veronica? And then it went like Veronica Mishra. So I was like, nay, Mishra doesn't suit Veronica. Then I was like, I need another name, another mid name or middle name or anything, So there's a word called Vanij. It's Vanij. And
Yeah.
Vanij is another name for Lord Shiva. So
Okay.
I believe in Lord Shiva. So it's everybody's belief. Now somebody believes in something, somebody believes in something. So I believe in him. So it went like that. So Veronica and Vanij together, it means something related to Sacha Shiva. Vanij is Shiva, right? And Veronica name from Bible, right? So
Yeah.
it's very holy name. So I was like, okay, let's just keep it like this. People will not even know where I am from. So I was like, okay, let it be. So ये नाम मैंने खुद ही रखा है. Nobody
अच्छा,
gave me this name.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's very catchy, Veronica Vanij.
It's something different. Yeah. Exactly.
वेरोनिका, आपने बताया आपके फादर चाहते थे कि आप पायलट बने, बट इट वाज योर चॉइस टू बिकम एन एक्ट्रेस. बट बाय चांस अगर आप एक्ट्रेस नहीं बन पाते तो आप क्या होते?
मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा ये, मतलब लोग पूछते हैं, मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है कि मैं क्या होती, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग जब से मुझे पता लगा है कि हाँ मुझे कुछ बनना है आगे, तो आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी एन एक्टर, ऑलवेज. सो सेकंड ऑप्शन तो है ही नहीं मेरा. और नहीं था. या
दैट्स अमेजिंग. अच्छा, मतलब एक ही गोल है लाइफ में और आपको उसी के पास जाना है.
जी जी जी. और मेरा ये रहा है कि हमेशा से आई नेवर वांटेड टू बी लाइक सुपरस्टार. I want to work. At least people should know me, and I just want to work. And whatever good comes my way, I'm open for everything. I just want to keep working, and this is my goal. Yeah.
Okay. Veronica, like ups and downs, success, failures are part and parcel of life. So how did you deal with yours ups and downs coming in the way throughout this journey?
Ups and downs. Yeah. How do I answer this? I don't know. But yeah, I just keep myself very positive. Like everything happens for a reason. If something is happening with me right now, that is going to give me a kind of, that is going to make me more confident. Okay, you learn from your failures. So I take it that way. I never get demotivated or depressed or touch wood, never like that. So I always want to, I just talk to myself and talk to my mom, and she's always like, होता है, life का phase होता है, तो ये नहीं हुआ तो वो हो जाएगा. So she's very, very sweet. Yeah.
Moms like these are our banks basically.
Yes, 100%, 100%. Yeah.
Veronica, what are your future plans? Any upcoming project, any exciting project you are doing?
Yes, I'm doing a couple of things. So something really nice is coming out soon, very soon. It's a web film. So I'm not allowed to talk about it openly right now because they will announce the film first. Then I can talk about it. Something is really coming soon. So let's pray. Finger crossed.
Fingers crossed. We are also waiting.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Veronica, our show works with World Humanitarian Foundation. This foundation works for the women empowerment. So what are your views regarding the women around the world?
Yeah, women, they are strong. They are pretty confident. So it's nothing like that कि अभी पहले जैसा कुछ भी नहीं रहा है. So we all know women are doing great in their lives. They're the real heroes. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Our show, हमारे शो का नाम है सक्सेस स्टोरीज. आपका सक्सेस को लेके क्या सोचना है? Like, what is your definition of success?
I think it's something you should be, how do you define success? Like, if you are satisfied in what you do, you know yourself, like, okay, where I was and where I'm right now, comparing yourself and, it's just about everybody's journey. So I think if you are satisfied and you are happy with yourself and because you know yourself the best, right?
Yes.
Me, it's, that.
Okay. Veronica, what message would you like to give to our viewers?
Yes, of course. बहुत tough time है हम सभी के लिए, जैसा हम सब जानते हैं. So मैं यही बोलूँगी सबसे, please, be happy. Try to be positive, not corona positive, obviously positive. Yes, this time will pass and अच्छा होगा, सब होगा. Just healthy, wealthy, and be with your loved ones. And watch Veronica manage. She's going to come with something really nice.
Yeah, definitely everyone is going to watch. And Veronica, thank you so much for being with us today. And it was a pleasure to have you in our show.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. Stay tuned for more success stories coming up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye and take care.